restorative. Pero mas maganda siya kung university-based na siya.
Napaka-ano yung date niya o 2045, sir? 2045 talaga siya.
Ano 2045?
Year?
Year 2045.
Hindi, yung proposal na yan na yung parang lease.
Oh, you know, we can use
50 years, you mean?
Oo, yung sa...
We can use Malabos
Yes.
yung land reservation.
Yes, definitely.
Marilog.
Oh, definitely.
Pwede natin i-revise yan. Hanap muna ako ng funding para hanap pa tayo ng
Ma-jive dun sa...
ma-jive dyan.
Kasi we have the area.
Yeah,
We can
the area.
propose the
Ang
activities.
haba ng usapan natin dyan. Ganun.
Funds.
Plants and animals, part of wellness, mga ganun. Nature setting. Actually, ako, I would even push for a zoological park. We don't have that in Mindanao.
No, and we want that together with the botanical park.
Yeah, see, we don't have that. Zoology and botanical park.
Matagal na kami may proposal ng botanical
Gusto
park.
namin.
So,
And then, sa akin ba sa US na ako pwede bumatak ng mga funding support kasi nandun ako nakabase eh.
kasi if we use Marilog, we don't have to plant anything.
So, independent.
It's nature.
Oh, endemic siya.
And
10
it's
hectares.
nature.
Pero mapagawin natin in case iba yung funding kasi magkaharap tayo ng mas, pagawin natin ito. Pero yun lang muna kung nasubmit. Kaso,
University-based, yun yung Mindanao-based. Ay,
Yeah.
lang yan.
wala naman ito.
Parang-
type na, hindi ba may resort doon sa going that way?
Alam mo,
Ah, papunta sa Tugbok, you mean? Ah, Marilog. Ah, yung puwente.
It's more of tourism.
Relating.
Oh,
Kasi tourism yun, doon sa papuntang Marilog na may ano,
Yes, sa
airport.
website.
Sa may
Oo,
airport.
oo. Pero yung nagsisira kasi ng environment